What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Sucks. And on today's episode, we're going to start painting up some of the bike parts. Check it out. Okay, so if you guys remember from the last video, these are lower engine mounts, and they attach themselves to the frame and hold the engine via this link there. So we're going to go ahead and separate these by the bolts. We'll get them sanded, and I think this is going to go black with the copper lining, kind of how we did the airbox covers, if you remember that video. Alright guys, first we're going to get these cleaned up, and then we'll start the sanding process afterwards. Sand in my nail. Ugh, got a little too close. Safety first, kids. Okay, so we got the sanding done on these, and now we're gonna hit with the black primer coat, and that's gonna kind of be like our paint color and our base as well, because it is a primer. Sure is.
Wait, so you're putting cement all over these blocks?
Yeah, you see how...
Now we're gonna start adding our bronze accents since these are dry. So there you have it, guys. The aft mounts for the engine are done. I've got them painted up. They look pretty cool. Look back here, you can see all the windage marks of, debris and just motion. I think they look cool on the bike. There'll be a little hidden detail inside. Not really too visible once everything's assembled, but it's the little things that make me smile. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. Motor mounts, they're done. We'll work on the triple tree next. I'm excited. The bike's coming together. Pretty soon we're going to get even bigger projects going towards the bike. Need to get a few more parts, but we're moving in the right direction, and I'm super stoked about it. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for Robbie Sucks if you like what you're seeing here. Also, if you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. You can get merchandise, stickers, hoodies, shirts, hats. We got it all there. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks, and today we're going to start fabbing up. I forgot what I was going to say.